Catherine from Collier County Public Library, and I'd like to share a recipe with you today from Tiechan Gerard's Super Simple cookbook, and this is a dessert. It's a coconut carrot cake, and I chose this recipe. I've always loved carrot cake. This one has coconut in it, which I also love, and it also has a cream cheese frosting. This carrot cake calls for 1 pound of grated carrots. So first I'm going to peel them, then I'm going to grate. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and then I greased a 13 by 18 inch lipped pan. I put butter underneath the parchment paper and on top of the parchment paper and left a 1-inch rim around the top. So now I'm going to make the cake with my stand mixer. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of canola oil, 3/4 cup buttermilk, 3 eggs, that were at room temperature, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I've got a brand new bottle. And I'm going to beat this until it's smooth. Now I'm going to stir in 1 pound of the grated carrots and 1 cup sweetened shredded coconut. And when that's all mixed together, then we stir in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, one and a half teaspoons baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon salt that I had in with my soda. Stir this all together, and you mix just until there aren't any lumps or clumps of flour. Now I'm going to pour the batter evenly into the baking sheet. So while the cake is baking, I'm going to make the cream cheese frosting, and it starts with 2 sticks of butter and a whole stick of cream cheese. Once the cream cheese and the butter are mixed and softened, then I'll add in 2 cups, between 2 and 3 cups of powdered sugar. So here's the final cream cheese mixture, and we'll just wait for the cake to cool. So I let the cake completely cool, and I'm going to divide it into thirds and cut. Okay. 2. So 3 layers of cake, 3 layers of frosting, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of coconut on top. I'm going to brew some tea and cut a piece of cake. Very good and very simple.